Alright, as part of the pass around, we are basically done with the locks that Lockmania sent me. I will add some more. This is the most nonsense one. It's a Parkside branded combination lock. Something written right there. You buy this at Lidl, which is a supermarket that also sells all sorts of seasonal other stuff. And it's a fidget spinner. You just tension it. You see all of them are binding. There might be false gates or it can be sloppy tolerances. This one definitely moves the less, as you can see. So I'll release tension, allow this to move, continue. Release tension, allow it to move, continue. Now it moves easily. Release tension, and we're open. So it's more like a fidget spinner. Don't take this seriously as a lock, it's not. So you change the combination by putting the shackle on the other side, turning the wheels, pulling. I have no idea what the combination was or is. Then these wheels have to be in a gate for it to open. It's open. I turn it and set something else, no idea what it is by now. Pull the shackle. And something is in a false gate. The first wheel didn't move so much and it's open. I have another one like this, which is much easier to open. It's just a plaything, but I'll include it. One of the locks that I want from Lockmania, but I was not to send because I already had them, is a Flying Tiger lock. They are very cheap, 2 to 3 euros. Not much good. Pins are here, there's a plate that you can remove, and you can see how they are. They are block pins, the keyway is wide open. Let's see if we can open it up. Two, three. Two again. And the tension of 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 3, I guess. 2, 3, 4. One of them is stubborn. 1. It had a lot of counter rotation. There are no spools. It's just that the pins are bad. 3, 4. Oh no, I think this is 3 again. And again. And we're open. So it's a bit of fiddling around, feeling for the pins, so yeah, that's interesting for picking, but otherwise quite a horrible lock, bad tolerances, bad pins, and easy to open. Because I didn't want to have Lockmania spend any money on posting this. I said, thanks, I have one, and I'll pick it on camera. Right, thanks for watching, take care.